In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a suggestion strip at the top of Gboard, don't worry, you are not the only one. So I will show you how to restore it using only devices settings. So let's start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System Management, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Manage On-Screen Keyboards. Then hit Gboard right away and tap on Text Correction to use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Quick tip, when you enable it, you can tap on this gear at the top to enter the same text correction options in few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!